It wasn't even recording.
Click the button.
It wasn't even recording.
Click the button. Yes, it was.
It wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Spell I cup.
No, why? I'm so weird. You know why? Because I haven't had her feature in What About videos in forever. Right, Lucky? Oh, yes. Look at the baby. You guys miss the baby?
Showing these things.
You get to collect up to 8 pets. What is it?
It's like a bunny covered in like mint and chocolate and hearts and stars.
Something that's mystery.
You guys look first.
Look at it. It's his best friend. Look, just like in the sticker. It's its best little pal. Aww.
And it smells really good.
It smells?
Yeah, they scented.
Ew.
You're
so
ill.
Good.
You're ill.
You ill.
You're ill.
You're ill. Why do you keep getting me excited about toys?
I don't know, because you're just a 5-year-old.
I'm not no 5-year-old. I only like toys when you like toys.
This one is
I like this.
Rose Rabbit and Sarah Sunday.
Here is the paper.
Oh, that's the origami. Open this.
Look at this. Pop. Just boop. Boop. The churro. Best friends forever, yeah. Best friends, we go on adventures. We go dancing. Ah!
We're gonna be showing my squishy collection.
The first one is what?
A random thing. Doggy. This is like a Hello Kitty waffle.
Hello Kitty.
Next one I have a doggy print.
I think it's a waffle with some flavor stuff on it. MICKEYMOUSC. That's me. Mwah! You used to love that. You used to sing it, and I used to sing it to you. You used to go on the little crib. MOUS.
Football.
Football! Football! Football!
It's a pear.
Another churro! Matching churros! We're best friends. We're best friends. We're twins. We are sisters. We go on little play dates. Yeah, we belly bump. We belly bump. We belly bump. Bump.
Okay, next one is a Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. I am hello. Squishy panda.
A Hello Kitty donut.
My finger goes through it.
Is a graham cracker, which I drew a face on it because it was way too boring.
Hello Kitty bread. Bread, bread. A croissant. Yeah. There's a cute little wing. What is this? I think it's a cube of cheese.
Whatever.
No, butter. It's butter. It's a cube of butter.
Okay, whatever.
Whatever. Gummies. We are gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a yummy tummy. I'm a gummy bear. Yeah! Oh, this pie look nasty. I'm a sugary cookie. Mushroom. Double mushroom.
Another egg.
Bear. Mr. Bear.
It's a gummy bear.
Mr. Bear! Fishy, 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 fishy. It's an ugly laughing emoji.
No more. It's empty. So goodbye.
Turtle.
Like and subscribe and share to your friends if you have any.
If you have any, oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like it and comment. Check the affiliate links out below.
And hit the bell.
Hit the bell, yes, for notifications, because you need to know when I'm gonna post, because I post every week. You guys have a you can't even hear yourself.
Blessed day.
Woo!